It's finally here, our new Keurig coffee machine. We've been waiting for it for a couple of days now and finally received it today. Really excited to unbox it and make coffee with it. Let's go.
Before we go to the unboxing, let me show you where we got the Keurig coffee machine from. So we went directly to their website and they had a lot of options. So we selected the single serve coffee maker. It comes in 4 colors, so gray, black, red and blue. We like the blue one, so that's the one we got. The price is $79.99, so we got it at a 10% discount. Plus the shipping was free and we got it delivered within a week, so not too bad. It was properly packed and honestly it was kind of heavy, so as you see we struggled a little bit with picking it up from the box, but well packed. We didn't have any issues with bumps or broken packaging anywhere. We like this one. It is very simple. It's 3 cup sizes and it's good when you don't have a lot of space, so you just have 1 cup. You can only make 1 cup coffee from it. So let's open it up and see what's in there. So it comes with this manual that kind of shows how you can start the machine, how you can descale, any troubleshooting. So that was really helpful when we were starting the machine itself, because you do have to run a cleaning cycle, and we'll show you how we did that in the video. Ta-da! Here it is. It honestly, it's so pretty, it's so bright. This lighting is not doing justice to it. But let's get all the tapes off and then we can move on to making the actual coffee. It has this detachable tray as well, which you can detach fully or just the top, and coffee does end up spilling there a little bit, but it's so easy to clean. It's plastic, so you won't have any issues cleaning it. So there's a tank at the back. We put in around 3 glasses of water in there and it fills full. That was very simple. So this is the cleaning cycle. What you have to do is run cycle without putting any tape pods in there. So that's what we're doing. We're just going to press the number 8. The water will run through and then it will be ready for the actual coffee. So K-pods are actually not included. We bought them separately. This is a Starbucks Pike Place one. So we're putting a new cup and doing 8 ounces. You have 3 options. You have 6, 8 and 10 depending on how much coffee you'd like to make. And there's an option to descale as well. So do let us know if you want to see a video of how we can descale the coffee machine. So this whole process of making the coffee took less than a minute, which was amazing. See how quick that was? And that fills half a cup.
Okay, time for taste test. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's good. So we did add sugar, caramel and milk to it and it turned out really good. The best part was how quick it was. It did not take like even a minute to get the coffee ready, so I'm really happy about that, especially when I'm running late to work in the morning. This is going to be a lifesaver, so I'm really happy we got this coffee machine.
So if you're new to coffee machines just like we are, we definitely recommend this one. Do let us know in the comment section if there's another coffee machine that you like and recommend.